Welcome to Self-Help for Robots. I'm your host, CJ Pitchford, and here's the podcast that almost wasn't. That is that I just updated my GarageBand, and I just had to change some things. In fact, you may notice a change in the theme song. But here we are, and here you are, and here I am. And for robots and non-robots alike, there's a lot of news that it was a busy day yesterday as Apple started its Worldwide Developer Conference and in California, and that one of the announcements that I just heard about was this new library called CoreML. And if they do the same thing for machine learning that Apple had done for CoreData before, using that library made like data-driven applications really easy. In fact, without writing any code at all, you could create a database application that you can work on a desktop on a Mac. But the idea of bringing machine learning to the Mac and also to your phone, more than just in the case of Siri, or the newly announced Apple HomePod, which is kind of like Alexa. Again, I have deafened Alexa, so that as not to alert her that I'm talking about her. I just referred to Alexa as her. I think that's the first in this podcast, but I do that several times to Alexa and to Siri as well, although I try to think of them as entities. And the gendered part of the conversation is something that we could have a conversation about sometime. Today's episode being about Apple, just wanted to point out that one of the new releases from Apple was about face detection, and there is a facial detection algorithm at selfhelp4robots.com. That's self-help number 4 robots.com, where you can try out a motion detector if you have Google Chrome or Firefox browsers. And sorry, Apple, Safari is not working right now with that JavaScript in that library. So if you'd want to try that out, you can go to selfhelp4robots.com, and I will be updating this podcast. In fact, the next episode will be a recap, and I look forward to talking more at that time. And until then, keep helping yourself.